Okay. Tayo lang ha. Okay. Okay. Okay, good evening basketball fans. Ito po yung lang final game for tonight between Clad and Black, the Airport United versus the Mechanicos. Ito pang AFL Aviation Friendly powered by SPP Doha, powered by Team Kapitan. Okay, Team Kapitan po tayo ngayon. Ito po ngayon, last game for today between Airport United in black, in yellow combination, versus the Mechanicos dubbed in gray. And this game is powered by SPB Doha. Salamat po kay Team Kapitan. Okay. Wala naka-club ako Nakabando ko sa kanila. Pag naglaban kayo, magkakalibding kayo. Nakabando ko sa kanila Okay, this game will posted in Aldrin G Vlogs with you. And we're just waiting for the opening tip-off para po sa last 4 quarters of the day between Airport United and Mechanicos. Dubbed in gray, the Mechanicos. And Airport United dubbed in black and yellow combination. Okay, game. Ito na. Oh, opening tip-off. First set. First 5. Ito po ay barangay rules po tayo. Ika nga. Barangay rules po tayo. Hindi po kada 5 minuto magpapalit po ng team pong ang players po. Magpapalit po ng players po ang mga team. Okay, first set. Si number 42 ng Mechanicos. That's Fortes. Si Fort. Si number 3. Si Bakalan, Miguel. And sa number 9 po ng Mechanicos. Number 9 ng Mechanicos, that's Mr. Bullet. Sa kabila naman, yan, yung usual starting line na po natin, si Scott and Company. Along with Salud, yung kanilang big man. Shoutout po dyan mga kabayan. This game will posted sa aking RBG Vlogs later. Ito po ang Airport United, the Friendly League, the Flying League also. Ang lumilipad na liga, Airport Aviation Friendly League. Game, ito na. Opening tip-off. Salud. 2 points Salud. 2 points kagad. Opening game was open by Mr. Salud. Melvin for the inbound. To number 18. To Melvin again. Melvin. Scott. Nice interception by number 42. Fort. Bakalan driving. Number 7. That's by Scott. Sa araw, parang saktan pa. Ilong hindi pa. Bullet inbounding. Thinking 3. Kapos. Rebound D24. Ayun si Melvin mag-isa. Melvin 2 points Melvin. Nice shot by Melvin. Pinatayan na tayo ng AC. Pops up for 3. Nope. Nandun si Liao. Nayan si Scott again. On the run po si Scott. Scott driving in. Nice stop out by Mechanicos. Number 42, out po yung touch dash by number 42. Symbol po tayo. 6 minutes 10 remaining. Scott. Nice basketball play. It's Scott. Nahuli. Nahuli ni Siena. Siena malakas. Scott. Nakawala si Scott. Scott. 2 points si Scott. Bullet pass again to Fort. Fort, babawi. Good ball. Good ball, Scott. Crossover, nakalusot. It's a foul called. Bakalan, number 3, called for the foul. Side throw inbound po tayo. Wala pa si penalty situation. Scott, wala. Uy! Foul! Foul on Scott. Okay, change 5 po tayo, guys. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5 na po, change 5. This time around, si number 10, number 2, number 4, number 11, at number naka-NBA All-Star eh. And this is si Nagrama, nandiyan na si Soliano, si Escobedo, si number 1 and number 8 sa Airport United. Okay, nakalusot, nakuha number 8 ang bola, number 8. 5-12 ang score. Escobedo, power move kay Soliano, 2 points. 2 points Soliano, 5-14. Talisik. Mix. Nope. Soliano, nauna. 3-on-3 situation. Garcia, dinabas muna. Soliano, wala. Escobedo for the rebound. Nope. White ball. Gray ball. Gray ball, number 11 again. Number 11, jumping around. Nope. It's Real for 3. Offline. Garcia. Grama. Soliano. Escobedo. Walang pinasahan. 4-on-1, 4-on-2, 3-on-2. Akiyama. Nope. Ayun sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Garcia for the rebound. Eric. Grama. Escobedo. Kiniluwa lang. Pasok ang bola. Real. Kalisik. Nope. Escobedo to Soliano. Soliano on the run. Eric. Grama. Nahinto muna to Garcia. Kaliwa muna. Nope. Nakuha number 8. 5 fadeaway shot. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Balik muli sa Gray ang bola. Gray ball again muli tayo. It's Gray ball. Mechanicos. Training band by 11 points at 2 minutes 31 remaining ng first quarter action. Real. Colanto, pops up. Nope. Escobedo, naka-rebound to Soliano. Soliano to Mike. Wala. Kalisik, 2 points. 7-16 naman ang siyam ang Airport United. Eto. Grama. Nice one. Wala. Talisik. Real. Pops up. Nope. Soliano. Naipit. Nako na Talisik. Real again. Real. Wala pa rin. Creating space. Foul called on Garcia. Garcia called for the foul. Real shooting for 2. Real take 2 po si Real. Number 10 shooting for 2. First shot, pasok. 7 seconds remaining. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Nope. Number 8 Grama for 3. Almost had it. And out of time. And the first quarter po tayo. The score is 8-19. Lamang po ng 11 ang Airport United. Okay, second quarter starters. Sino po sila? Second quarter starters headed by Scott, Melvin, Munoz, and Salud. Sama na si Liao. And also si fourth naman, si Yel and other company po sa Mechanicos. Okay, Bakalan. Fourth, pops up, fadeaway shot. Wala, Salud for the rebound. Liao, Scott, nagmamadali. Scott driving in. Liao sa ilalim. Nakuha ni Siena ang bola. Siena, Bakalan. Binagong bola. Siena creating space. 2 points. Salud. Munoz. Okay, ano muna? Scott for 2 points. Yes, sorry. 2 points, Scott. Siena, Neo mag-isa. 2 points, Siena. 2 points. Scott again. Itangan ng bola si Scott. Scott pops up. Yes, sorry. 3 points. Good ball. Yel. 2 points, Yel. 2 points si Yel. Nakakuha ni Munoz ang bola. Munoz to Salud. Dish up to Munoz. 2 point. No, wala. And 1 play sana. Okay, Salud shooting for 2. Salud, second shot. Wala. Foul on Salud. Salud called for the foul. Bakalan. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Fourth, creating space. Foul sana and 1 play pa. Nice shot by Fourth, 22. Shooting for the bonus free throw. Fourth, shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 18-25. Lamang na lang po ng 7 muli ang Airport United. Bonus shot. Pops up. Okay, completed play. 3-point play completed. Bang, bang! 3 points again. Ginawa ni Scott. Scott for 3. Fourth naman. Dish of pass kay Bakalan. Nakuha ni Fourth. Walang pinasahan. Nice play by Fourth. Nakalusot si Fourth kay Melvin. Fourth, dish of pass. 2 points, number 9. 21-28. Scott. Foul called. Salud. Post up. Nakuha ng number 3. Siena, mag-isa. 2 points, Siena. 23-28, lamang na lang 5 ang Airport United. Mekaniko, sumahabol na po. Scott, flying shot, nope. Salud. Liao, nope pa rin. Naiwan na lang mag-isa Salud. Salud. 2 points again. 25-28. Muñoz. Scott, mataas. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Default na naman. Nako ni Real. Yel. Pops up. Yes, sirree. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Airport United. Still completed. It's a foul call. Scott. Yel. Looking to take the lead. Nope. Okay, out of bounds. Scott to Muñoz to Scott. Muñoz lost the ball. Scott nakalusot. Take 2. Scott shooting for 2. Scott shooting for 2. First shot is Scott. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready. Wala pa rin. 2 shots lost. It's a foul called. Melvin called for the foul. Timeout called. Mecanicos. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay. Second 5 na po tayo. Nakuha. Talisik. Against Escobedo. Talisik. Doon sa ilalim. Pasok. Change favor tayo. Change favor now. Mechanicos now. May lamang na po na isa. May Mechanicos. Laman na po na isa. To Escobedo. Kapos pa rin. Real. Real. Wala. Number 2. Nice one. Laman na po ng tato. 31-28 po. Ang Mechanicos. Mechanicos 3-point leader Velasco. Nice one to Tesoro. Garcia. Escobedo. Walang pa. And one play made. Naka-end one play pa sila. Ang galing. Number 2, shooting for the bonus free throw. Two points Garcia. Sa wakas, nakascore din. Points Grama. Rebound ni Velasco naman. Velasco the move. Out of bounds. Balik, black ball still. Black ball pa rin po tayo. Black ball, black ball, black ball. Number 19 to number 4. Nakuha ng pick. Out of bounds. Talisik for the inbound. Number 11 to Real. Number 10. Colanto. Nope. Rebound. And no more. End of the first half. Lamang po ang Mechanicos po ng 36-33. Lamang po ng tatlo. Ito po ang Aviation Friendly League aka the Flying League. Live po tayo ngayon sa the Newton International School in Doha. Standby po tayo sa second half. Fourth shooting for 2. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Nope. Pushing foul si Siena. Dinadaan si Sigaw. Bukudaan si Sigaw, boss. Dinadaan si Sigaw. Manson. Escobedo. Siena again. Siena the move. Siena shooting for 2. Para tabla. Siena first shot. 5 seconds out. Last throw. 5 second out, ha. Basket made. Manson for 3. Nope. Escobedo for the rebound. Number 12. Wala pa rin. Training job din number 12. Nakuha ni Siena mo ng bola. Siena! Nilabas ng ring. Traveling violation. Called on Scott. Substitution made now. Number 15, labas muna para kay number 2. And 42 for the inbound. Baklaan rather. Baklaan to Yale. Number 2, Baklara. Nope. Nakakuha ni Salud ang bola. Salud. Manson, nope. Escobedo, and one play made. Tiyak foul number 2 yan. Foul number 2, basket made. Escobedo, shooting pa bonus free throw. Okay, labas mo na si Siena to para kay number 0. Pops up, nope. 38-41, fourth. Dish of pass. Palpal. Sana, pero may foul. Escobedo called for the foul. Pass ball lang. Number 2 for the inbound. Baklaran. Number 2. Fourth naman, pops up, short stop, wala. Nakakuha ni Escobedo ang bola to Salud. 2-point Salud. Nope. Escobedo, Scott, sayang, hindi pumasok ang bola, pero meron siyang free throws sa line. Scott shooting for 2. Siya pala. Pops up, nope. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Number 2 for the rebound. Nakuha ni number 12. Traveling violation called. Walang pinasahan naman si number 26. Balik po ni sa team ang bola and Timeout called by Mechanicos. Ito pang Airport United Aviation Friendly League, aka the Flying League. We'll be back. Ano po tayo? Okay, back. Ganun to. Nice rebound the Fort. Fort on the run. Dish of pass kay Shena. Dukot sa ilalim. Pasok. Nice play by Shena from Fort. Out of bounds. Two points. Nice pop-up shot by number 42. 42, now 42-43 muli po tayo. Nope. Shena to Scott. Number 12. 2 points number 12. Yansik Carmona. Nice one by number 7, Siena. Kahit may check pa ng konti, pumasok pa. Escobedo, power move. 2 points Escobedo. 2 minutes, 36 remaining. Siena. Nilabas muna. Malakas. Salud. Oh, it's a foul called. Okay, Shena, labas muna. Scott Manson, number 12, boarding pa, pasok. Port 42, driving in, foul called, warning for penalty. Airport United. Warning for penalty, Airport United. Soriano, pasok muna para kay number 12. Rebound ni Manson to Scott. Okay, Scott dictating the pace. Soriano to Scott. One more time. Escobedo, 2 points Escobedo. Good ball. Garcia. Soriano to Scott. Manson, fadeaway shot, pasok ang bola. 46-57, 11-point lead, 13-point lead already by Airport United. Taps up, sumabit si Soliano. Shooting for 2 si number 42 ng Mecanicos. First shot made, second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Huy! Good ball. Soliano, wala. And no more. Okay, standby po tayo sa final quarter. The score is 49-59. Laman po ng laman po ang Airport United ng 10. Mecanicos ball. Fourth quarter start. Number 9, Bullet for the inbound. Talisik. Siena. Pops up. Nope. Rebound is cut. Binato kay Siena ang bola. Two points fourth. Pops up, Scott, nope. Salud for the rebound, 2 points. Put back, Salud. Yel. Good ball, good ball. Good ball pa rin. Double team. Garcia, and as a foul called on number 9. Foul on number 9, 8 minutes 26 remaining, 51-61. Laman po ng 10. Melvin naman pinasok para kay Soliano. Nadera to Scott. Scott dictating the traffic, setting the pace. Scott nakalusot. Again, one more time. Okay, still completed. Eto na si Fort. Number 9. 2 points, number 9. Number 9, 2 points po tayo. Scott for 3, nope. Foul sa ilalim. Foul sa baba. 7 minutes 26. 53-61. Lamang po ng 8 pa rin ang Airport United. Yel. Power move. Nabantay ng todo. Si number 9 tumira ng 3. Wala. Nice one by Liam. Scott. Melvin. 2 points, Melvin. Simple lang. Bank shot lang kailangan. Tapos. Bank shot lang kailangan. Siya napalpal. Melvin. Malakas. Three points Yel. 56-63. Laman po ng 7 ang Airport United. 6 minutes 34 remaining. Scott versus Siena. Naipit and it's a foul called. Number 9. Sub muna si number 3 kay number 9. Okay, si Manson pumasok muna pati si number 12 para kay Melvin. 2 points, number 42. Nice play by number 12. Trailing play, good. 6 minutes remaining. 58-65. A 7-point lead advantage by Airport United. Nice play by number 15. Put back by number 15 made. 5 minutes 41. Manzon. Salute for the rebound. Manzon muli. 2 points Manzon. Yel. Nice shot by Yel. Salud. Rebound pa ni Salud. Nice play. Nice block. Siena versus Scott. Okay, let go na yun. 4 minutes 51. 65-69. Laman na po ng 4 ang Airport United. Four minutes 30. Scott. Again, na-receive niya ni Fort. Foul called by number 18. Timeout na called by Airport United. This is your Aviation Friend League, dubbed as the Flying League. Live po tayo ngayon still sa the Newton International School in Doha. And you will see right at the last game for the day between Airport United and the Mechanicos. Okay, kinrek po nila yung score po. The score is 67-69. Official score na po yan. Lamang na lang po ang Airport United ng 2. Okay, side throw. Wala pang penalty ang Airport United. Airport United, side throw po tayo to Bakaran. Driving in. Si Fort pops up. Wala. Rebound. Rebound battle made. Number 12 winning. Foul po ni number 3. Wala pa penalty, wala pa. Scott to number 12. Number 12. Number 12, side step moves Scott for 3. Nope. Rebound Escobedo and one play made. 3 minutes 57 seconds remaining. Escobedo, point for Escobedo plus balls free throw. The score is 67-71. Timeout called. Timeout called by Mechanicos. Back to the ball game. Ball game. The score right is 67-71. Lamang po ng 4 ang Airport United. Escobedo for the bonus free throw. 3 minutes 57 remaining. Sige, mga pang. Jumpers ready. Wala. Rebound din number 2. Ayan na si Real. Si Fort. Nandiyan si Fort. And one play made. Basket made. Bonus free throw coming up. Para kay number 42. Pops up. Pasok. 70-71. Manson. Two points made by Escobedo. Sherna. Oh! Held ball situation. Held ball situation. Who's ball rep? Black ball. Black ball, black ball. 70-73. Salud. Manson for 3. Bang! Si din! Timely 3-point made by Manson. Pamatay sunog na 3 points. Ciel naman pumanat. Wala. Nandun si Sheila. Palpal. Number 2. Scott. Scott for 3. Nope. Manson. Recovery. Si Manson na tumira. Nope. Ayan, sina 42. 42. And one play made. 42 basket count. Bonus free throw coming in. 72-70 score po natin. Two minutes, 36 remaining. The score is 72-76. Bonus free throw awarded para kay number 42 ng Mecanicos. Mecanicos for bonus free throw. Pasok. Basket made, 70-76. Escobedo, number 12. Number 12. Escobedo. They will start milking the clock. Carmona driving in. Stolen away by Fort. 2 points. Timeout made and basket made. Timeout po ang Airport United. 2 minutes 12 remaining. Okay, back to the ball game. 75-76. Lamang na lang po ng isa ang Airport United. Inbound si Escobedo. Manson. Manson, 2 points, Manson. Si Fort na naman, si Fort pops up. Binangtan niya, pasok ang bola. A minute 45 remaining. Manson for 3. Foul. Okay, 77-78. Double foul call, number 16, number 15. Both teams whining for penalty. Fort bops up. Nope. Rebound D. Scott. Escobedo to salute. Ay, what play made. Salud, bonus free throw. Pops up. Nope. Kick pass kay Yel. Nakuha! 2 points, number 12. Mali pinasahan. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game po tayo. Back to the ball game. Shena for the inbound. Si Real, si Fort. Yel. Oh, buntik na. Palpal. Traveling violation. Ay, it's a foul called. Foul called. Take 2, penalty situation. Mechanicals, penalty situation. Number 12, shooting for 2. Nakawala sila. Number 12, shooting for 2. Nope. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Nope. Rebound D. Okay, ayun na. Shena. Take 3. Take 3. Shena shooting for 3. First shot. Basket made. Second shot. Break. Last shot. Jumpers ready. Last shot. Jumpers ready. Basket made. Timeout called by Mechanicos. The score is 79-82. Laman po ng tatlo ang Airport United and ball possession pa ng Airport United at 16 seconds remaining. This is your Aviation Frederick aka the Flying League. I think they'll go for the foul now. Tansya ko. They'll go for the foul now. Yung Mechanicos. Scott for the inbound. Scott for the inbound. Salud. Foul made. 9 seconds remaining. Salud shooting for 2. Nope. Basket made. Laman po ng 4 ng Airport United. 9 seconds remaining. Pero ball possession po ng Mechanicos. Shena for the inbound. Shena for the inbound. Okay. Eto na po tayo. Ayun, number 10. Wala. And it's a foul called by Salud. Fourth. Number 42 shooting for 2. Five seconds remaining. First shot. Uy! Early entry. Okay, concede. Final score. Final score 79-83. Winner Airport United. With it, maraming salamat po and see you again for next next game po ng Airport United po on next week po Friday basketball action ng the Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. Maraming salamat po and time po tayo sa interview. Okay, ito pong Airport United winning 79-83. Final score 79-83. Ito pa Airport United po, compress kayo, mag-compress po kayo mga kababayan. Okay po Winner by 4 points, 79-83.
Sign 2. Ano na to, diba? Alright, sign 2.
Adera, back to back.
Okay, 1, 2.
Okay. Oh, sino best player? Okay, number 12.
Sige sir, interview.
Oh, sir, interview sir, 2 minutes. Oh, syempre, may contribute dito. Oh, sir, congratulations sir Paano nyo sir na nakwel po yung bleeding kanina? Muntik pa kayo matalo kanina noon, umalabang sila ng 3.
Hindi ko rin sir, actually late na ako kanina eh. Pag gano'n, salang lang, tapos go hard, gano'n lang po.
Ganun na kagad. Okay. Ano sir, ano po? Okay. 1 minute sir, shoutout po sir. Wait. Ano asahan pa namin sa laro nyo po on the next game po? Sige po, mga next games po. What expect
Labangan
more?
namin na bibigyan namin yung best namin, syempre.
Okay, best namin.
Ako, tawag dito kasi ako, iba yung work ko sa, ano ko eh, sa crew ako. Kapag may off ako, lalaro ako para sa
sige.
team. Yun lang.
Okay,
Tapos shoutout
determined.
sa mga tropa
Ayan.
ko.
Sige, shoutout, 1 minute shoutout po, sige.
Pinaka-tropa ko din si Julius po.
Okay.
Idol ko yun. Siya yung mga,
Sino pa? Sino? 1 minute to, 1 minute to sir, 1 minute to.
Si Taka, Gio, tsaka si Margo po, tsaka si Pops Matt, yung mga tropa ko sa Big Mammoth Boys.
Okay, Bin Mahmoud boys. Okay, with it po. Thank you po and